Welcome back to another CTFlearn challenge write-up video. In this video, we'll be walking through the web challenge Injection Time. Let's get into it. I stumbled upon this website, and I think they have the flag in there somewhere. Union might be a helpful command. Okay, so it's probably a SQL injection since they're referring to union here, and their little hint. So let's open that in a new tab. All right, so if we try some standard SQL injections, my favorite, of course, is this one. 0 results. Okay, so that didn't work. So let's try it with double quotes. Okay, let's try it with a number and then the quotes. Nope. All right, let's try it with a number and then double quotes now. Okay, let's try it without any kind of quotes. Let's just see if that works. Okay, that worked, but it didn't give us enough information to use in order to find the flag or get a table spat out or anything. It didn't drop any information useful to us. So let's try a union statement. Now we need to test for injectable columns. So we need to do one union select, and then we just test one by one. Now, I tried to do this in SQL map, but it didn't work, so I had to do this manually. Or at least I couldn't get it to work, so here we are doing it manually. So we'll try one column. All right, no feedback. 2 columns. No feedback. 3 columns. No feedback. 4 columns. All right, we got some feedback. Okay, so there are 4 injectable columns. Now we want to dive into the information schema. The information schema holds all the metadata information for the database, the tables, the columns, etc. And we can actually pull from the information schema just like we would like a table or database or anything like that. It has that ability to be selected from just like any other SQL entity. So let's try, let me paste that back in. Let me get the whole thing now. Let's try doing just from information underscore schema and see if that gives us anything. Nope, nothing. Okay, so we need to actually specify something from the information schema. So if we're enumerating tables, we will do dot tables, and then we want to set one of our injectable columns to the variable that would be referenced from those tables. So we would want to specify table underscore name because that is the keyword for a table name from information schema.tables. And it does seem like it worked. Okay, so now we're just going to scroll down here and look and see if there's anything suspicious. And right here, we did find something. Wow, you found me is our table name. So let's go ahead and just open up a notepad document, and I'll paste the injection in there, and I will paste this in there as well, just so we can copy and paste it later. Okay, so now we want to enumerate column names. In order to do that, we can simply change, and I can just copy this here. We can just simply change this from .tables to .columns, and this from table name to column name. Okay. And now we're just going to copy and paste our new injection so we can get all the column names. Okay, so now we're going to scroll through here and look for a suspicious column name. There's quite a few in here. Ah, here we go. Found me. So that definitely looks suspicious compared to all these other ones. So that's what we'll be using as our column name since it's the most suspicious. And now all we have to do is craft a basic union injection statement using the column name and the table name. So we just got to do, instead of column name there, we just do found me since that's the column name, and we can replace the entire thing with it. And then we just need to replace our information underscore schema.columns with wow, you found me. Since that is the table we want. All right, let's paste that in. 0 results, so we have something wrong. And maybe I do actually need the other columns there to get it to work. I did. Okay, so my bad. So in the injection, you do need the other columns to inject with. But that's essentially how you do it. It is a bit trial and error, but that's how SQL goes. So let's grab the flag. Oh, and the flag says union is a great command. Let's paste that in, submit. All right. If you enjoyed the video, drop a like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. Turn on post notifications to get regular injections of cyber content directly into your feed. Check out our Patreon, join our Discord, and follow us on Twitter. Links in the description box down below. And leave any feedback or questions in the comments section down below. This is Almond Milk. Thanks for watching. Goodbye, world.